9 days ago, I made a video about bots, two bots, what I was launching both with $1,000 in ByBit exchange. One of these bots was costing $100 per year, so $10 per month, and the second bot was given by ByBit exchange for free, and what is free for everybody to use. Now today we're gonna look through the results. One of these bots has made a significant loss and the other bot has made significant profit. Stay tuned. Let's start first with a bot what was making us money. If you were thinking that it was the free bot what was given by ByBit, what had a lot of huge track record for making millions of percentages profit, then you are wrong. It was not that one. So we're gonna come to the free bot in a moment, but first of all I'm gonna show you the paid one. So paid bot what was costing $100 is actually the one what was making the profit. I'm gonna turn on the screen share in here. So what we see right now, we see when we go under the profit, we see a lot of green, and we see 21 May, 22 May, and we see every day it has been producing profit. And if we are clicking open any of these, also we see exactly which pair was bringing in how much. And really I am very happy with this solution, and it shows total $90 has traded a profit out of $1,000. Now this is half of the truth, because in nine days and $90 would be 1% per day. So this is actually very good, and it is trading always in your ByBit exchange, and obviously all of these funds are always accessible for you. That's a good thing. Now let's look also the downside. So the downside is this, that there is also a little profit share what we need to pay away, and this is happening through the application. So if we are gonna go to the main, I think more, okay, account balance 992. So we see also every day we have paid about $1 for the profit share. So in the beginning there was $28 left over in here, so 100 went for the membership and 28 I leave in. So there is actually like 28 minus $10, no, $10 is available, so about $18 also went on the profit share. So this is just a cost what is going to be there anyway when you're using any kind of bots. If we are also looking now directly in a ByBit, what has happened with this, as you remember, I put in $1,000 exactly, and there is 1,057 right now. So it is 0.5 or 0.6% approximately per day what actually is a leftover what is in the account. So this bot actually has been performing extremely well. Why there is difference between the 90 and 90 what the company bot is showing that it has produced, and in here in this account there is $57.4 profit. It's just the exchange fees. So ByBit itself has been charging about $40. So this is the business of an exchange. Exchange is making money from lending money, and when there is any kind of trade happening with a leverage, then there is just very high fees for that. So therefore the total profit is $57 what it has been producing minus $18. So total profit we can get, it's about $40 total profit within 9 days. And it would be 4% out of $1,000 in 9 days. So if it would go exactly in the same way the whole month, it would be around 12 to 13% in 1 month what is bringing profit, which in my opinion is very, very good for a tool. Because also, even though if you can make yourself way more money by trading, then you also lose way more money in a trading, and it's always good when you have different pockets for different things. So this is at least what I do. I have an account what I'm trading with, and I have an account what is running the bots, and then account what has the AI bots, what I also made a video about. There is also an account for just for holding, and account for DeFi, and so on, so on. So there is like different pockets where I'm keeping also my funds. And I suggest also you to do the same, not to keep always all the money in the same place, because it is extremely risky. Before you're going to the next part also, you can put into the comment, pause the video for a second, put it in the comment, what do you think, what was the loss, what was ByBit own bot making the same time when the Hash7, or I don't know what is the name of this bot, this bait bot was producing about $60 out of $1,000 profit, then how much was making a ByBit bot a loss? What do you think? Put it in the comments. And also, show your support. Subscribe. Come on. It's not so hard. One click of a button. And free bot has made us $900 in loss. That is amazing. So when I started this account, I put $1,000 in, and this was about a week ago, 9 days ago. I put $1,000 in, and now I can take $100 out. So this is like a trading account of the most of the people who are coming in a cryptocurrency. They try out one way, they put money somewhere, it is 10 times less or 9 times less, and then they say, hey, this cryptocurrency is a scam, this is all bullshit, this is whatever, any of this stuff doesn't work. No, this stuff works. There is a lot of this stuff what does work, and of course we knew it from the beginning that it is a risky thing. Now it has lost majority of our account, and the question is what we're gonna do now if 90% of our money is gone within a week. And we put it in the bot. The bot was showing a very promising result. So I don't know if the backtest results what ByBit is showing is real, or is it not real. Maybe just the strategy was working before because market was extremely bullish, and in the past 9 days the market has not been so bullish. So the bots are a little bit, how to say, stupid. They always don't know how to make money out of these moments when the market is changing, and maybe that's the reason. But maybe this bot is like total crap. Nevertheless, I'm not gonna take out this $100. And by the way, if you don't believe me also, I'm gonna show you the history. So we see also in here, in ByBit exchange, the bot what we put into work, investment $1,000, total profit or loss is $896. So 89% of the money it is lost. It is unfortunate, but now it only matters what we're gonna do next. If we are gonna be too much stuck in the thing that we lost 90% of our value, we're never gonna get it back. So what we can do, we can either quit or we can try again. So I think that there is nothing to lose really. If we have lost 90% already, let's try it again, but let's try it with a different tool. So let's go to the tool of copy trading. And copy trading means that we can copy the trades of the other traders who are very good in the market. So let's see now, 30%. So 68,000. I will try this one. So 162 followers. Let's go with this one. And how we can make the copy work? It's full. That's what it was saying. It is full. So number 1 is full, is not able to. So let's copy number 2. It has also 15,000. Not too much. Let's try. Crypto Nation. 103. Transfer. Where we need to transfer. So funding account. Where we need to transfer this. Minimum 300. Okay. Cannot even try. because the minimum is 300. Okay, that sucks. So we cannot do the copy trading for this one. Maybe we can do the copy trading for somebody else. 25% is also not bad. Let's try. 302 followers, copy. What does it say? Minimum 1000. Come on, man. 7-day ROI 40%. Minimum 50. Okay, let's try it out. So this one is not as good as the previous one, but it shows high frequency, shows that it is doing something. So let's do 103.27. Copy now. Voila. Now it is connected and it will start earning us money when this trader is making money. So basically how the copy trade works is there is somebody who is trading. Either it's a bot or it's an account. It can be a person, it can be a group, it can be a bot or whatever. And we can just copy all of their trades, what they do. Whatever they buy, our account is going to buy as well. Whatever they sell, it's going to sell also at the same time. And when they make the profit, then we make the profit as well. So let's see what is going to happen. Because like in here, you see there is a guy who has made 432% in past 7 days. It is not the consistent thing or persistent thing what always is going to happen, but it's something what might happen. And you test it out, you try it out also your own, and you see what is better. Is it better to use the trading bot? Is it better to copy some kind of trader? Maybe some traders are really good, some traders are very bad. I don't know how it is. I'm also trying it out the first time, but what I suggest for you is that if you are already watching these videos and you are here, you know about the opportunity, then participate. Find the way how to participate. The only way how you can lose 100% is when you don't participate. But this is like a lottery ticket. It might work, it might not work. Most of the lottery tickets don't win, but the same is also in the crypto market. Most of the people don't make money. Most of the people put $1,000 in and get $100 out, exactly like I did with a bot. But it doesn't have to be you, because it's something to do with the skills and something to do with testing out also different options, because a lot of this stuff works and a lot of this stuff does not work. And for sure, you will never find out if you don't try. See you in the next video.